The Bermuda Triangle, you have likely heard the name, it whispers of mystery and unexplained events. This area is a part of the vast Atlantic Ocean. Its corners are roughly Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. For decades, this region has captured public imagination. It is known as a place where ships and airplanes are said to vanish. They disappear without a trace, or so the stories go. This reputation has grown over many years, fueled by books, movies, and countless tales passed down through generations, creating a legend that is hard to shake, even with facts. This stretch of ocean is not a small, quiet place. It is a major shipping route. Many vessels cross these waters every single day. Commercial flights also frequently traverse the airspace above. The sheer volume of traffic is immense. If you consider the number of journeys, the number of reported incidents is actually quite low. Yet, the stories persist with a powerful grip. People are often more interested in a chilling mystery than in simple statistics. The idea of a special dangerous zone is far more exciting than the reality of a busy, sometimes hazardous part of the world's oceans, which, like all oceans, presents natural dangers. The legend often speaks of supernatural forces. Some suggest alien abductions, others propose portals to other dimensions. Ancient curses from lost civilizations are also popular theories. These ideas are certainly dramatic. They make for exciting stories. However, they are not based on scientific evidence. Science looks for explanations that can be tested and verified. The Triangle's reputation is built more on sensationalism than on solid proof. We must separate dramatic fiction from observable fact when we explore such phenomena, looking for what we can truly understand about our world and its workings. So what are we dealing with? Is it truly a cursed abyss? Or is it a region of the ocean subject to natural phenomena, human error, and the power of storytelling? The allure is undeniable. But the universe usually operates on understandable principles. We can explore these principles, we can look at the evidence, we can try to understand what really happens in this famous or infamous part of our planet. The cosmos is full of wonders, many of which are far stranger than fiction, but they follow the laws of physics, which we can uncover and comprehend through careful study. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle was not born from nothing. Specific incidents have fueled its mystique. These stories are often retold. Each retelling can add a little more mystery. One of the most famous cases is Flight 19. This occurred on December 5th, 1945. 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers from the US Navy disappeared. They were on a routine training mission. The flight leader reported becoming disoriented. His compasses were apparently malfunctioning. Communications became erratic before they were lost completely, sparking a massive search that yielded no wreckage. The Flight 19 story became even more mysterious. A PBM Mariner flying boat was sent to search for the missing bombers. This search plane also vanished. 13 men were aboard the Mariner. It too disappeared without a trace that day. This double disappearance on the same afternoon greatly amplified the growing legend. It seemed too coincidental for many. How could 6 aircraft and a total of 27 men simply vanish in a few hours? This event is often cited as prime evidence of the Triangle's strangeness, making it a cornerstone of the entire enigma. Another well-known case is the USS Cyclops. This was a massive US Navy collier ship. It disappeared in March 1918. The ship was carrying over 300 crew members and a cargo of manganese ore. It vanished somewhere after leaving Barbados. No distress signal was ever received. No wreckage was ever found. This happened long before the term Bermuda Triangle was even coined. But the event was later absorbed into the Triangle's lore. The sheer size of the ship and the number of lives lost made its disappearance particularly shocking and memorable. Other tales abound. The Mary Celeste, though often misattributed to the Triangle, shares a similar theme of mysterious abandonment. The Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 2 British South American Airways passenger planes, disappeared in 1948 and 1949, respectively. Each incident added another layer to the puzzle. These stories, often presented with an emphasis on the unexplained elements, help to cement the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a place of profound and perhaps paranormal danger. They highlight our vulnerability when faced with the raw power of nature and the vastness of the sea. When we apply scientific thinking, many Bermuda Triangle mysteries become less mysterious. The ocean is a powerful and sometimes dangerous place. The weather in this region can be extreme and change rapidly. Hurricanes sweep through the Atlantic with immense force. These storms can generate colossal waves and winds easily capable of sinking ships or bringing down aircraft. Sudden, localized squalls and waterspouts are also common. These phenomena are well understood by meteorologists. They are natural hazards, not supernatural events that can cause catastrophic damage. Geological explanations have also been proposed. One theory involved large deposits of methane hydrates on the seabed. The idea was that eruptions of methane gas could reduce water density. This sudden loss of buoyancy could cause ships to sink rapidly. While methane blowouts are a real phenomenon, their frequency and capacity to sink large vessels in this specific manner in the triangle are debated and not widely accepted as a primary cause for the disappearances. More significantly, there is no evidence that methane eruptions are more common in the triangle than in other oceanic regions around the world. What about magnetic anomalies? Stories often claim compasses spin wildly in the triangle. This is said to confuse pilots and navigators. While the geographic North Pole and magnetic North Pole are in different locations, this is true for the entire planet. Navigators have known how to compensate for this declination for centuries. There is no unique magnetic disturbance in the Bermuda Triangle that would reliably cause navigational chaos. Modern navigation relies on GPS and other advanced systems, making compass errors far less of a critical issue than they might have been in the past. The most common explanation for many incidents is, unfortunately, human error. Navigational mistakes, poor decision-making in bad weather, or inadequate training can lead to disaster. Equipment failure is another significant factor. Older aircraft and ships were more susceptible to mechanical problems. Many reported disappearances occurred during eras with less reliable technology and less comprehensive search and rescue capabilities. When you combine these factors with the high volume of traffic, it is statistically inevitable that some vessels and aircraft will be lost, just as they are in other parts of the world's oceans. So, if science can explain many of these events, why does the Bermuda Triangle mystery persist? Humans are storytelling creatures. We are drawn to narratives that evoke awe, fear, and wonder. A tale of a mysterious force swallowing ships whole is far more captivating than a report on bad weather or pilot error. These stories tap into our primal fear of the unknown. They also spark our curiosity about the limits of our understanding. The idea that there are still places where the ordinary rules don't apply is a powerful one. The media plays a significant role in keeping the legend alive. Books, documentaries, and websites often sensationalize the disappearances. They focus on the unexplained aspects and downplay or ignore rational explanations. Charles Berlitz's 1974 book, The Bermuda Triangle, was a bestseller. It cemented the triangle in popular culture as a place of paranormal activity. Once an idea like this takes root, it is very difficult to dislodge, especially when it is so entertaining and intriguing to consider the possibilities beyond our everyday experiences. There is also a certain comfort in mystery. For some, a world where everything is known and explained can feel a little dull. Mysteries like the Bermuda Triangle offer an escape. They allow us to speculate and imagine. They provide a space where the fantastic can seem possible. Even when presented with facts, some people prefer the allure of the unknown. The thrill of a potential enigma can outweigh the satisfaction of a mundane, scientific explanation. It's a testament to our species' imaginative capacity. In conclusion, the Bermuda Triangle is a real place with real maritime traffic. It experiences real weather. Many of the disappearances attributed to it can be explained by natural causes or human factors. There is no scientific evidence of unusual phenomena making it uniquely dangerous compared to other busy ocean regions. Yet, its legend endures. It remains a powerful symbol of the unknown, a testament to our fascination with mystery, and a reminder that the ocean, even in the 21st century, still holds the power to make things vanish, sometimes leaving us with more questions than answers, feeding our endless quest for understanding.